Dr. Pretend Play. Welcome back to my channel, where I review the absolute best items for your family. Today, I am diving into the amazing world of Dr. Pretend Play. I have gathered the top choices to spark imagination and empathy in young minds. Let us jump right into the list.
Product number 1, Milan Toy Doctor Kit. Are you looking for a wonderful starter surgeon kit for young ones who dream of being a medical professional? This option comes with every imaginable tool a future medical expert will need. I love that it includes a cute fluffy dog toy, a medical coat, a hat, and a carrying bag for easy storage. You will also find a stethoscope, syringe, thermometer, tweezers, tray, dental mirror, hammer, scissors, eyeglasses, and an otoscope. This set features enough medical tools to pretend to play the role of a nurse or patient. It helps ease anxieties about checkups by familiarizing little ones with medical procedures. Taking a temperature with the adjustable thermometer and listening to a heartbeat with the light-up stethoscope brings so much fun. Product number 2, Melissa and Doug Examine and Treat Pet Vet Playset. I am thrilled to introduce this 24-piece vet kit that encourages compassionate role-playing every single day. It includes dog and cat stuffed animals, along with a stethoscope, thermometer, syringe, ear scope, tweezers, and bottles. A reusable checklist is also included to complete wellness checks, all conveniently stored in a portable tote for easy cleanup. I appreciate how this screen-free activity builds empathy, communication, and problem-solving skills. This collection inspires kid-powered play and social interaction for young minds. The plush dog and cat give children a chance to pretend they are real veterinarians treating their furry friends. Using the included cast, paw clamp, and recovery cone makes the experience incredibly realistic. Product number 3. Melissa and Doug Get Well Doctor Kit. If you want kids to check on patients, give pretend shots, and write prescriptions, this 25-piece playset is a fantastic choice. It provides endless imaginative medical fun that sparks creativity and role-playing excitement. I am really impressed by the inclusion of a blood pressure cuff, hearing tester, syringe, scissors, tweezers, and a rolling forehead thermometer. It even has a reflex hammer, otoscope, eye cover, tongue depressors, and an ID badge. All these wonderful accessories are stored in a handy tote for easy storage and on-the-go travel. I love how this screen-free play builds empathy and communication through preschool learning activities. The activity cards, instrument tray, and bandages add another layer of realism to the medical experience. Product number 4, EFASH Kids Doctor Kit. I'm excited to show you this 34-piece set designed to equip children with essential medical tools. It features a stethoscope that can make real heartbeat sounds, a blood pressure cuff, a thermometer, an oxygen bottle, a syringe, and bandages. This collection also includes a fun costume and a convenient tote bag for easy portability, all assembled in a beautiful gift packaging box. I admire how it fosters imagination and bravery while teaching children about body parts. Made of durable ABS plastic, this kit is non-toxic, odorless, and designed with smooth edges to provide a safe and reliable experience. I think the spacious storage bag teaches children the importance of organizing their belongings. Playing with this set helps alleviate fear of medical visits and encourages an enjoyable pretend environment. Product number 5. Melissa and Doug's Super Smile Dentist Playset. Let me share this incredible 25-piece dentist kit featuring oversized teeth and big chunky dental tools. I absolutely love the vibrating drill and polisher, cavity stickers, floss, wiggly teeth, and braces that make it feel like a real dental office. Children can role-play teeth cleaning, put on braces, and even perform tooth extractions with these premium quality toys. It includes a double-sided activity card, toothbrush, toothpaste tube, dental mirror, pick, and gauze pads. You will also find top and bottom clear retainers, a retainer case, a cup, a dental rinse bottle, and a mask. I highly value how this screen-free option teaches dental hygiene and preschool learning activities like counting and hand-eye coordination. It keeps young ones active and engaged while building their memory and empathy. I guarantee this collection will inspire kid-powered play and bring wholesome entertainment to any household.
Thank you so much for joining me today as I explored these fantastic Dr. Pretend Play options. I hope this helps you find the perfect setup for the little ones in your life. Make sure to keep fostering that incredible imagination, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.